Imagine, move freely, feel every impact, team up with friends in the same space, battling through incredible adventures together.
Oh my god.
Welcome, patients, to Phobia.
Oh, what is this? This is so scary.
My name is Steven Zhao. I am the CEO and founder of Sandbox VR, and our goal is to bring the holodeck to every neighborhood. The design principles of a Sandbox VR experience is first it starts with embodiment. Who do you get to be? And then you have the immersion, the world that we put you in. And then the social element of what you can do together with your friends and family. I run core product as a chief product officer. One of those responsibilities is all the technology and engineering around the core holodeck platform that we've developed. We combine motion capture technology with virtual reality technology to create effectively a new medium.
我咧最主要就係負責做 hardware design 嘅。點解要有自己嘅 hardware 咧？就係因為可以針對我哋嘅遊戲去作出一啲反應啦，而現存嘅產品係滿足唔到嘅。Motion capture system 係咩咧？就係 for 啲拍戲嗰啲用嘅。就係你要吉好多個波喺個身嗰度。呢個 holodeck experience 其中一個要求非常之高嘅，就係要非常低 latency。我哋用一個叫做 IK 嘅 system。點樣令到你會覺得你嗰個朋友真係對住你做一個表情啊？例如佢眼可能要好自然咁樣望住你，行入去一間房嗰度，哇！佢就可以見到自己個身喺度喐啦。
More than games, cinematic adventures await. Step into Hollywood-caliber storylines. Survive zombie hordes. Explore alien planets. Dive into worlds inspired by Squid Game and Star Trek.